Hello loves, welcome back to my channel. So we made this yummy stuffed plantain boat and it was a die for. Let's get into the video. For your ingredients, you will need your spring onions, normal onions, of course you will need plantain, then you are going to need this much, which is your minced meat, your pepper mix or your tomato mix, which is your tomato, shombo and tatashe, and then your bell peppers. So we are going to go into our preparation. We are going to cut our tomatoes into our blender for easy blending. Then we are going to go ahead and add our shombo and as well as our tatashe. We'll also add our scotch bonnet pepper, add according to your tolerance level. We are going to go ahead and blend it. After blending, we are going to set it aside. And then we'll go into cutting of our veggies, that's our bell peppers. I'm going to be using this vegetable chopper because I want it to have a definite shape and I also want it to have a definite size. So this is it. I'm going to set it aside and then I'm going to cut our spring onions. After that, I'm going to proceed to start cooking proper now. I'm going to add oil into our already dry pot. I'll go in with my onions. I'm going to add all the onions. I'm going to fry it and allow it to introduce its flavor to the oil. After 1 minute of frying, I'm going to go in with our tomato mix, which is made up of shombo, tatashe and pepper with tomatoes. I'm going to stir it, then cover it and allow it to cook. Now that our sauce is on fire, I'm going to proceed to getting our plantain ready. So I'm going to remove the back and then I'm going to use our knife to create a hole in the plantain. So for this thing, we are going to make a hole in the center of the plantain. The essence is to give it that boat shape and create a space where the sauce can enter. So this is what we are looking at. I'm going to do ahead and do it for the other 3 plantains. Now that our plantain is ready, I'm going to proceed to frying the plantain. So this is it. Our plantain is almost ready. I'm going to check on the sauce and it is almost ready also. So I'm going to go ahead and spice it using the curry powder, nor cube, and then salt. So you don't need too much seasoning for these things because it will work just perfectly with just these 3 things that I just mentioned. So I'm going to go ahead and give this a good mix so that everything will well combine. Allow it to fry for 1 minute. Then I'm going to introduce our minced meat. So this minced meat is from the fridge. I just brought it out from the fridge, so it's frozen. So I'm going to make sure that everything is well incorporated with each other. I'm going to stir it till everything is well mixed and then I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook for just 1 minute. After cooking for 1 minute, I'm going to add our meat stock. This is from the beef that I cooked earlier in the last video. If you've not watched it, please go ahead and watch my last video and also please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So I'm going to stir everything to make sure it is well combined. And now when I am satisfied, I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook for 4 to 5 minutes. So I'm going to check on our plantain and it is ready at this point. So I'm going to go ahead and remove it from the oil and I'm going to set it aside. So this is after 4 minutes and I've checked on our sauce and it is ready. Now I'm going to add our bell peppers. I'm going to set aside some. I didn't put all of them in this video as at now. I didn't add all of them. So I'm going to stir it till everything is well combined and then I'll also add our spring onions. I'm going to give it a gentle mix and then cover it and allow it to cook for 1 minute. So this is after 1 minute and at this point our sauce is ready. I'm going to just go ahead and turn off the gas and then I'm going to allow it to cool. This is after 10 minutes and our sauce has cooled down a bit. I'm going to add the sauce inside the plantain. I'm going to also do it for the other 3 plantain and I will make sure that the plantain is well stuffed with the sauce. I'm going to proceed to sprinkle some of the bell peppers that were left behind and voila! This is our stuffed plantain boat. I kid you not, this tastes heavenly. This was absolutely delicious. It was given 10 over 10. I almost did not give it to my help. I ate to indication immediately. Recreate this video and thank me later. Thank you for watching. Bye.